How to cut out photo in InShot. First, you have to open InShot and go to the collage section. Select any 6 pictures of your choice. After that, click on the layout option and select the frame for your pictures, and then select the canvas. Now go to the adjustment section and set the brightness to -14 and the saturation to -19. Now just save it and then open InShot again. Go to Photos and select your saved photo. After that, go to the stickers option in InShot Tools and select your photo from there. Your background will be removed automatically. If you want an outline on the side of your picture, you can do that too, and you can also choose the color. After that, you have to position your picture wherever you want to place it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, and if possible, share it too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. If you want to reduce the picture capacity, you can do that too. Now, go to your text tools and write any text you want. I'm writing "Happy Birthday," but you can write anything you want. Now, you can go to the text bend option and make the text look even prettier. Now we will select the text color, and if you want to add any emoji, you can add that too. Now we will set it in its place. After that, we will go back to stickers and bring a butterfly to make the picture look prettier. Now save it, and if you want these stickers, please comment below. Thank you. If you want more editing tutorials, you can DM me or leave a comment. Also, feel free to ask any questions you have.